myself and
Sarai Scouser.
We're in Troy here on this absolutely gorgeous day.
Oh my gosh, this day really turned around.
Didn't it? Yesterday I was ready to turn on my heat.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Not ready for it.
Oh, hey, before we show you guys this house, guess what is on Thursday? The Birmingham Community House Tour.
Woo! Did you guys get your tickets?
There's still time to buy tickets. We will include the link in this live video, so I'll go back and add it so that you guys can purchase tickets right from here. Yes. It is an amazing house tour, a bunch of really, really cool houses. All of the money goes to children's programs and really, really cool events at the community house in Birmingham.
It's pretty awesome.
It's pretty awesome. Man, the houses are really cool too. There's a good mix.
We're going to be at Yorkshire. So you can always pop in and see us.
Yes, exactly. I'll be there in the morning shift. Sarai will be there for the afternoon shift. So stop by and say hello. Okay, now we're at this house in Troy on Greendale. List price is $465. This is a completely renovated house from top to bottom. You are getting all of the things that you would want in a new construction house, but for about $200,000 less, I would say.
And you still have the charm of, you know, a little bit of an older home, which is kind of nice.
Exactly.
I like home with character.
I prefer home with character.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look-ski. All right, everyone. I'll give you a shot of the street here. Nice and quiet. Gorgeous day. Very, very, very nicely maintained yards all around here. Lots of very nice neighbors. I've had the pleasure of meeting a couple of them, and they have all been super nice. Got this beautiful landscape here. Look at all these great, you know, I love that they didn't just do boxwoods and call it a day. They've got rose bushes, hydrangeas, I think, is that a maple tree right there? A lot of really cool plants.
Pretty cute.
Yeah, it's really cute. So I want to make a quick shout out to Keith and Evan for the staging. They have just opened a store in Ferndale located at 9 Mile and Woodward, right where that guitar shop used to be. And it is called 9 Furniture and Design. And all of the pieces that you are looking at right here in the staging, they've either made or given a makeover. Their prices are super, super reasonable. They are open, I believe, 5 days a week and 2 days a week by appointment. So they also take on design projects and yeah. Okay. They're pretty awesome. Back to this fabulous house on Greendale. All of the flooring throughout the entire house is brand new. They've replaced the majority of the windows. We have custom kitchen cabinets here with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances.
Everything you want in the new construction. Got your dovetail.
Got your dovetail. That's quality. Got a little eating
I like
space.
that they raised the step down.
Yes.
So it doesn't angle though, but I like that it's still a smooth transition.
Yes. So before there was a step down living room here, and instead of keeping that step down, they actually rose the living or the family room floor so that it was just one nice clean run flooring there. We've got our vaulted ceiling with these cool beams. I might actually do a little accent painting personally if I moved in here.
Paint the beams?
Yeah.
For sure.
Got a nice natural fireplace. And Sarai is checking out this fabulous tiled veranda. This is super cool. So this is that wood look tile, which is pretty much perfect for outside. This is such a fabulous little entertaining space with the arborvitae right here. You could do some stringed lights and have just the most amazing dinner parties out here. It would be so cute. And I love this brick wall around.
I like that it keeps also with what's in the front.
Yes, for sure.
It's very
cohesive. Okay. So this way is the door to the garage here. We've got a nice coat closet. Right here is the powder room. It's a little bitty thing, but great powder room. And then this is where your laundry room space would be. There is a fully finished lower level, and you guys know that I get scared about losing service, so I'm just gonna give you that shot of it. It's a really nice laminate floor down there, and there's a wet bar and cabinets and counters that actually match the kitchen selections up here, so that's nice. Then we make our loop around, and we've got pantry here, coat closet here, and this great library space.
Hi, Ashley.
I'm sorry, I'm right in the middle of the video. If I could get back with you.
Got it.
Thank you. All right, now we are headed upstairs. Okay. And this great upstairs space is this super, super cool landing. And you could make this an office. You could actually raise a wall and make this a whole nother bedroom if you wanted. Really, really good flex space.
Yeah, you could knock down this wall.
Right,
Really
exactly.
open it up.
Make a big, huge bedroom there, or like a walk-in closet or something. I don't know, all sorts of potential. And what have we got over here, Sarai?
Oh, you have another bedroom.
Oh, how lovely.
These are huge bedrooms.
Huge bedrooms. So bedroom. And then this huge bathroom. Double vanity.
I like that this drawer isn't a fake one because normally it is.
Yes, and thank you for noticing.
That is not.
And then we've got this fabulous shower here. All right. And our master bedroom with dual closets.
And your ensuite.
Ensuite. So your master bath, single vanity in here, and a huge shower. Sorry, get in that shower. Show these people how big the shower is.
You could really, I mean, how many people you want to fit in a shower?
It's huge.
You could start your own, what's that place in Detroit?
The bath.
The Schwitz.
All right, guys, rentable space here. Rentable space. Okay, so awesome renovation here in Troy, ready for you to move right in and get comfortable.
You can keep furniture. Well, you could.
You could keep all the furniture. You can
If you want
definitely.
it, you can purchase it.
You can buy all of this. Everything here is for sale. All right, let us know if you guys have any questions. And Friday, well, Thursday we have the house tour, so definitely buy tickets to go and check that out. And then Friday, where are we going?
We're going down to Detroit.
Going to the D.
Yeah, so we have two places we're going to probably stop. My James Place loft listings, which it's under construction, so it's drywall, but you can get in and pick your selection.
Yes, you get to pick all your selections right now, and we'll bring the selections with us so that you guys can get a feel for
the ones that we can carry.
Right, yeah, exactly. I mean, we're,
I've been,
Jim's that way. All right, everyone. We'll see you later this week. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Tour Tuesday.
Bye, guys.
Bye.